To fix the problem where your Opera GX is disappearing from the taskbar, first of all, you will need to open your Files Manager, navigate to your PC, and then select the disk with where you have your Windows installed. In this case, it's C for me, for you probably the same. Then we can go to our users, select the current user, and then go for App Data. If you don't see this folder, you need to click on the three dots right here and move to the options. Then View, and right here, Show Hidden Files, Folders and Drives should be active. Apply it and then click on OK. That way you'll find App Data. Open it, move to the local, and then find the folder Programs. Then navigate to Opera GX, and right here all you have to do is right click on that Opera and pin it to your taskbar, and that way you'll be able to actually have Opera GX icon all the time in your taskbar and it won't disappear. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.